Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the playback speed on the Netflix website when you are watching a series or a movie. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, tap on the movies that you are going to watch. Tap on play. Wait till it loads in, and after that tap on this button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and here you can find the playback speed section where you can find this scale ranging from 0.5 to 1.5, and just simply tap on the relevant circle, and then you can check out how it sounds by tapping on the play button down below, and feel free to select the relevant speed that you would like to apply. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.